Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use airplane mode in Monopoly Go on your iPhone in 2025. Let's jump right into it. First things first, grab a paper and a pencil because we are going to need them later. Now turn on your airplane mode and make sure to turn off your Wi-Fi. Once you have done that, roll on your dice with a 1 into multiplier and then write down the numbers where you land. Do this for about 5 to 6 rolls. Now after you have rolled, go ahead and close Monopoly Go, turn on your Wi-Fi and disable airplane mode. Here's the next. If you on an iPhone, you'll need to delete the game. For Android users, all you have to do is clear cache and data. Once that's done, reinstall Monopoly Go and log back to your account. Before you roll your dice again, don't forget to adjust the numbers. Avoid going to the higher numbers, especially for events or rewards you don't want. Stick to the numbers like 50 or 100x in for better rewards. And that's it, a super simple guide to using airplane mode in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.